Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa and I'm here with another video for today's prayer. Just sit back, relax, and I'll read you today's prayer. And here it is. Behold, you are beautiful. Song of Solomon 4, chapter 4, verse 1. Chapter 4, verse 1. You are beautiful, my darling, beautiful beyond words. Your eyes are like doves behind your veil. Your hair falls in waves, like a flock of goats winding down the slopes of Gilead. So there you go. Today's prayer right there. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to get notified. Hit that bell right next to it to get notified when I upload more content. And I will say, Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Please be safe. Take care. Be blessed. See you back here tomorrow for another today's prayer. And I'm sending my love and prayers to you all. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now.